Good evening, children. 7th Standard English. Children, in today's class, we are going to continue the remaining exercises in Unit 3, Prose. Children, now you turn to page number 66 in your e-book. Now we have to continue with part G. Complete the following sentences using appropriate prepositions. Number 1. Is your mother dash home? So what is the answer here? The answer is option B, at home. Number 2. There is unity in diversity dash the people. So the answer is option A, among the people. Number 3. He discussed the problem dash his parents. The answer is option A, with his parents. Number 4. Litisha was praised dash her father. The answer is option C, by her father. Number 5. Can you finish the work dash tomorrow? Option A, by tomorrow. Number 6. He has been absent dash last week. The answer is option A, since last week. Next we will move on to part H. Filling the blanks using suitable prepositions from the box. Some options can be used more than once. So here are some clue words. Across, with, on, to, by, since, from, about, into, at, during. Number 1. You look at page number 67. Number 1. What do you do dash weekends? The answer is during. Number 2. I am going to my village dash Sunday. The answer is on. Number 3. I haven't met my friends dash December. What is the answer here? Since December. Number 4. Run dash the street and get me the ribbon. The answer is on. Number 5. He told me in detail dash the incident. The answer is about the incident. Number 6. This picture was drawn dash the girl dash charcoal. The answer is by the girl with charcoal. Number 7. The car was travelling dash a great speed. The answer is at. Number 8. The ball fell dash the lake. The answer is into. Number 9. There is a bridge dash the river. The answer is across the river. Number 10. The conference will be held dash 10 a.m. dash 5 p.m. The answer is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next we will move on to part I. Fill up the blanks using suitable prepositions on your own. First one. The soldier climbed dash a horse and rode away. The answer is on a horse and rode away. Number 2. They have been here dash a long time. The answer is for a long time. Number 3. Kumaravel has lived in the city dash 2012. Since 2012. Number 4. The paper was published dash an international journal. The answer is in an international journal. Number 5. When will you return dash home? The answer is back. Number 6. 1 dash the 4 students wrote the answers correctly. The answer is one of the 4 students wrote the answers correctly. Number 7. This fruit is dash the Mexican capital. The answer is from the Mexican capital. Number 8. The head office is dash Nungampakam. It is dash College Road. As you go dash the station, the office is dash the right side. The answer is the head office is at Nungampakam. It is on College Road. As you go through the station, the office is at the right side. Number 9. The sailors were taken dash the forest and made to walk dash 10 miles. The answer is the sailors were taken through the forest and made to walk for 10 miles. Next one. The girl standing dash me was sneezing. The answer is before me was sneezing. Next, we turn to page number 68. Now we will see the writing skills. Fill in the value trees with the best qualities you like to follow in your life. From the given list, write a few lines about your favorite quality in the box. Now, you see the first three. Here are some clue words. Diligence, polite, confident, respect. In the next three, we have joyful, honest, caring. Now, we are going to write few lines about favorite quality. Now, you listen. My favorite quality is good manners. Good manners fetches good name for us. If we develop good manners from childhood, it will continue till our adulthood. We shall be role models for others when we display good manners. So children, just you go through the chapter column, best qualities in life. Now you turn to page number 69. Next one is creative writing. A lime brick is a type of a silly poem with 5 lines. They are often funny or nonsensical. Lime bricks were made famous by Edward Lear, a famous author who wrote the book of nonsense in the 1800s. This was an entire book of silly limericks. Next, how to write a limerick poem. You listen. The first, second and fifth lines rhyme with each other and have the same number of syllables, typically 8 or 9. The third and the fourth lines rhyme with each other and have the same number of syllables, typically 5 or 6. Limericks often start with the line there once was a or there was a. Example of an 88558 syllable limerick. Now you look at this poem. There once was a wonderful star who thought she would go very far. Until she fell down and looked like a clown, she knew she would never go far. Kathleen Gunither. Now you can try your own limerick. Part K. Fill in the template given for limerick. There once was a chubby soft teddy bear, that is a 8th syllable, whom cute baby had always near. 8th syllable. She played with him, that is 5 syllable. Even when she swim, 5 syllable. If Teddy is lost, don't cry, baby dear. This is 8th syllable. Children, now you turn to page number 62. Now we will see language checkpoint. Don't say, say, note. We didn't go through this, just you look at a glance. She aimed on the target. You should not say like that. You have to say she aimed at the target. Note, use the preposition at to denote direction. For example, throw at. We arrived to the village at night. You should not say like this. You have to say we arrived at the village at night. Note, use arrive in with large cities and countries. For example, Mr. Balu has arrived in India. I walk by foot. You should not say like that. You have to say I walk on foot. Note, on is used for actions involving body parts. By is usually used to mention the means of transport. Next one, I had the pleasure to meet him. You should not say like that. You have to say I had the pleasure of meeting him. Note down, also take pleasure in helping others. So children, with this we completed Prose 3 book exercises. So children, for today's assignment, you are going to write the book exercises. It will be sent in the PDF. So you go through the group and complete the book exercises. So children, complete the given assignment and also send the images of your assignment in your group without fail. Thank you children.